Hello, future nurses. Here's a short lesson on what you need to know about placenta previa. In a normal pregnancy, as pictured on the left, the placenta attaches itself to the top of the uterus and allows the free flow of blood and oxygen to the baby via the umbilical cord. In placenta previa, remember that previous means coming before, the placenta is attached towards the bottom of the uterus, followed by the baby, as pictured on the right. This makes vaginal delivery unsafe because the placenta needs to function normally throughout all of labor and delivery. If the baby's presenting part is pressing on the placenta, it can cut off blood and oxygen supply to the baby or result in abruption, which is the breaking apart of the placenta. Previa and abruption result in hemorrhaging that is life-threatening to mom and baby. Previa is graded in terms of how close the placenta is to the cervix. In grade 1, the placenta is close to but not touching the cervix. In grade 4, the placenta is completely covering the cervix on both ends. This is the most dangerous grade for previous. If you take the same image and reverse it, this paints a brighter picture. Some women start out with a grade 4 previa, but as the uterus grows, the placenta comes with it, coming closer to the top of the uterus. Some providers might feel comfortable with a vaginal delivery as long as the placenta is 1 centimeter or more away from the cervix. In any other type of previa, a cesarean section is warranted for the safety of both mom and baby. Many previas occur without any symptoms at all. However, be on the lookout for this key red flag: painless bleeding in the 3rd trimester. Many complications of pregnancy involving bleeding, such as placental abruption, come with severe pain. Painless bleeding, bright red bleeding, is your red flag for previa.